so we are on 21. It is a little muddy and there's a bypass on the left, but if you go straight, it's a little bit deeper.
We run out of space. Well, we'll pull everybody up.
Mud in the cab.
Yep, right. Feet up.
Their doors on probably a little wet.
Little wet.
Yeah.
Little stinky.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, so to give you an idea, you can see it is above the bottom of the door, obviously. So if we had our doors off, obviously all the carpet would be wet, like you saw in the last Jeep that went through. And if you want to get an idea on the front, for us at least, it was above the bumper, but just maybe the edge of the bottom of the radiator. So this is like a completely safe height to go through things. So this is a great example of a bypass. As you can see, the right hand side is really deep and swampy, but there is a bypass on the left hand side. And you know, I don't judge anybody for going through bypasses. We even went through the bypass, but you can see there's lots of options.
Yeah, you learned something new. Let's see what you're on. Check that out. Wow.
Yeah. Well, I forgot you have to
Wow.
fast. Is that somebody's back?
I heard 2 honks. How did you do that? I know. Hey YouTube, we are on Trail 21, and on Trail 21 we took a bypass because we're Gladiators, to be 100% sure. So back here there's a little mud puddle, and then there's like a little up and down, and we weren't really sure on the, even though we have the new lift kit and everything, just to be 100% sure, we decided to go around a little up and down as you saw. And here we are right here.
Hey, so you should probably expect, you know, kind of short delays like this on the trail if you're new. Anytime you go over obstacles that are either bigger or need a little bit of guidance. And right now we're waiting on one of the Jeeps in back that needed a little bit more spotting. So I'm going to show you a little bit more of the mud, just so you can kind of get an idea of what we're going to go through. And like I was saying, this is not the deepest mud at the AOAA. This is something that is skirting the edge of the deepest mud. The deepest mud is Excelsior Swamp, which would be the trail adjacent to this one. I want to say maybe it's 1,000 feet from where we're at, if I just kind of took a guess.